Hey everybody, on this video we got a 2002 Honda Civic door lock. As I came from a junkyard, and this one actually had the key, and the battery still works in the key. And works fine. And we're going to see if we can use the HON66 Lishi here to pick this guy open. Now we've got to pick it twice to unlock and then twice back to locked. And these these have an A and a B track. I get the tool in here, we'll take a look at that. So notice on each lifter there's an A and a B on it. And as far as cuts go on these door locks, you've got 2, 3, and 4 on the A side on the door, and 1 through 5 on the B side. So let's figure out where they're at here. They're going to be staggered. So on the B side we're going to have evens going down and odds going up. On the A side, 2 and 4 be going down, and then 3 going up. And so that we know that, we can actually start picking here. So I'm going to apply some tension and just look for binders. So we'll start on the B track, we'll click on 2, 4, got a little bit of rotation. To 1, nothing on 1, 3, 5, so we'll check the A side. 2 is binding on the A side, nice click on that. Nice click on 2. Nice click on 3 on the A side. So we'll get back to the B side here. So 2 feels good, 4 feels good. 1 is still springy, 3 springy, 5 springy. So when nothing wants to bind, we either overset something or we need to increase the tension. So I'm going to start by increasing the tension. And nothing, so I must overset something. So we'll start over here. It's telling me start on number 1 on the B side. Nothing. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 5. Okay, so nothing on 2 this time. Okay, big click on 4 on the B side. Still nothing on 1, 3, and 5. So we'll head over to the A side. Nice click on 4. Nice click on 2. Heard something drop. Okay, nice click on 3 here. And we actually are halfway picked now. So now we just got to pick it one more time to get it all the way unlocked, where we'd be able to decode it if we wanted to. Alright, I just had to pick actually just number 4 on the B side here. We got it all the way rolled over. So from here we'd be able to actually decode it. I'm not going to bother since I have a key and everything for it. So now let it go back. When we're stuck between the 2 positions now, we've got to pick it one more time here to get it back to the home position where a key would go back in it, because how it is now between 2 spots, a key wouldn't actually work. So I'm just putting tension on it to let tension off a little bit, push, and got it picked back to the home position now, where we'd be able to insert a key and use it, and so on and so forth. So that's basically Honda high security, the HON66 Lishi. And as always, questions or comments, please put them in the comments, and subscribe, share, all that stuff. And until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.